Today we're going to learn how to do a blue makeup look. So let's just get started. So here's one of the palettes, the other palette. This is the base we're going to use. Put it down with this brush. Just dab a little bit of that base on the brush. Start rubbing it on your eyes. Just get it all in there. Top to bottom, left to right. She calls me cheese. Not sure what she's thinking about here. Magic. So she's gonna take what she did over there and put it over there. She's gonna take blue because it's a blue makeup tutorial. Duh. Start dabbing it on your eye, real nice like. Put a little extra. You gotta make it look bold. Just keep tapping it in there. Tap, tap, tap. Now you'll get lost. Oh, just put some more blue. Take this little brush. You just swipe it. Play with your hair. Blend it in. So you're gonna learn that this is all about blending. It's about dabbing stuff on your face and blending it in. I'm gonna take white for some reason. Stick it on your finger. I don't know why you would stick it on your finger and not use a brush. But oh, you take a brush and now we're gonna blend it again. Now we're onto the green. You just take the green and you put it on top of the white because, you know, why not just cover up what you just did? We're just gonna blend the green in with the blue. Admire yourself. Now I'm gonna take some more blue, it looks like, on another brush. I'm gonna put on the bottom of our eye. And now some green. And yeah, so you're just gonna make the bottom look like the top. And you're gonna blend it again. It's all about how well you can blend. That looks like glue or something. You put on your eye wig. Now blow it so it could dry a little bit. Blow, blow, blow. Now you just plop it right down on top of your eye. By the way, you better subscribe. Admire yourself again. Take this brush with some white, it looks like, and just swipe it again underneath your eyebrow so you can make it look white. Because it's a white color, it's going to make it look white. Now take this faceless eyeliner. I know it's eyeliner. And you just kind of magically swipe it onto your eye. You make it nice and pointy, nice and thick. You guys have no idea how much footage gets cut out of her perfecting this line. Oh, she looks satisfied. What could be next? Ah, some pink thing. So you take the pink thing and you start to rub it on your eyelashes. I mean those eye wigs that she put on. You just rub it on the bottom too. Because remember, whatever you do on the top, you do it on the bottom. You just stick this thing on, take this brush, and you put a little sparklies on the inside of your eye, and done. Of course you're not really done unless you make some funny faces.